back with another one for y'all. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We're going over the Spotify method. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now, today on my channel, I wanted to give y'all an update on the Spotify method. As of December 21st, 2020, we received over 1,000 orders, right? All orders have been submitted, right? And your orders are either complete or in progress. Now, if you've ordered a Spotify package or any Apple Music promotion, your order could still be pending, right? All you have to do is email me at info@yonworld.org to see the current status of your music streaming order. Just email me the track link you used to submit it, whether it was a Spotify track link or Apple Music track link. I'll be able to search it within the order history. Now, on this video, I want to touch on a question I get a lot, and it's about the speed of the Spotify campaigns. Now, if you go down and read how the Spotify method works, the Spotify method works by generating streams using API tokens from premium Spotify accounts. Just to break this down, when you order 1,000 streams, right, your song is played on 1,000 unique Spotify premium accounts, right? It doesn't come from one account playing your song over and over and over again until you get 1,000 streams. No, it works by going into 1,000 different premium Spotify accounts. So when you order 100,000 streams, your song has to get played through 100,000 unique Spotify premium accounts before you get 100,000 streams, right? And each order you place with the Spotify method is treated as its individual order, right? So if you place 100,000 order, that's treated as one order, right? And the campaigns deliver anywhere from 500 to 3,500 streams per day. They can deliver 500 to 3,500 streams per day, right? So if you order a campaign of 100,000, that would take longer than a campaign of 1,000. But if you place multiple orders, right? If you place 100 orders of 1,000 that equal to 100,000, those 100 orders of 1,000 will complete faster than the single order of 100,000. So I hope y'all can get what I'm saying, but it's better like for a faster service, because I notice a lot of people, they just really want a faster service. They want a certain amount of streams within a month, right? And I can understand that for having a consistent music reporting, right? And to do this, I recommend doing multiple smaller orders, right? Whether it's 1,000 or 5,000, those are considered the smaller orders. Even 10,000 is a large order, and it can take over 10 days for a single order of 10,000 to complete. But if you do multiple orders of 1,000, each of those orders are treated individually, right? So they'll complete faster than if you did one order of 10,000, if you do 10 orders of 1,000, right? So I hope y'all understand that, and I hope this helps y'all out there for those who want a faster service with the Spotify campaign. Understand that I cannot control the speed of the order. My service is just to submit the track link for you, right? I've showed y'all the source of the website I go to generate this traffic, right? And a lot of people have trouble with the website. A lot of people don't know how to buy Bitcoin, and they don't know how to use the website. I charge for counseling and mentoring if y'all need help with that. But if you don't want to go through that, I also offer a done for you service where I will do it for you. I already have my account ready. I already have my account funded. The moment you place your order, I submit it. So if that's easier for you, so you can avoid a learning curve on how, what offers to pick, how to add money to the website. You want to avoid that learning curve and just go through my knowledge and my expertise. You can go through my website. Just understand these campaigns take a while to complete. And for the fastest service, I recommend just doing multiple orders of 1,000. Whether you want 10,000, do 10 orders of 1,000. Whether you want 100,000, do 100 orders of 1,000. If you want 1,000,000, do 1,000 orders. It seems tedious, but it's better than waiting, that period of time you have to wait if you place one large order. So I just want y'all to know that when y'all ordering from the website, just so people aren't disappointed with the speed of it, right? And it's designed, all for your safety, all for your account protection. Like, your account would never be in jeopardy with the Spotify method. I just want y'all to understand that. That's why the streams deliver slowly. So, and the streams come from individual, unique, premium Spotify accounts. If you were to get 1 million streams, you would get that from 1 million different unique Spotify accounts, right? So I just want y'all to understand that. If y'all have any questions, y'all can email me. If you need a more detailed understanding and you need a mentorship, you want to talk to me, I offer that service as well, right? I know a lot of people been trying to find that, but if you just go to the More tab on Spotify, I may add it to all of my order forms so it's easier to add here. Matter of fact, by the time y'all see that, I'm going to have my consultant, on all my order forms. It's just on this order form, right, for our consulting session, but I will have that listed on my other order form so it's easier for y'all to get in contact with me and to place an order. So it's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'm out. Peace.